So hello everyone, it's me again and from another vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my tips and tricks in free talk portion. So as you already know, some of our tutor or ESL tutor have this kind of free talk session with their students internationally. So I will give this kind of idea that you can use Google Meet effects to your private tuty. So here, let me show you an example from my previous class.
Beard and mustache.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
uh,
have a
a
mustache.
black mustache and beard on his face,
You can say on the lower face.
on the excuse me, on the
Lower. Yes, lower
lower
part of the face. Yes. You can
lower
say
face.
on the chin. Chin.
Oh,
Yes.
okay,
Lower part of the face.
lower part. Uh,
I'm gonna take a
and
picture for my ID.
and one part of clothes, it's special scarf, special scarf,
Yes.
like a um, mm, I I don't use this part
But
uh,
before at work.
before.
Oh, you use it
Before
before.
in Ukraine, I
You
use
sometimes.
tie in how part of my clothes. Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Part of clothes. I
yeah,
think
uh,
when you go to church, you can
yeah.
wear necktie.
Especially when we go to church.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh, do you have something to say?
And jacket and
Oh, yeah.
jacket
Red.
with high high whoo, with high
You can do it. Collar,
color
yes.
color.
Yes.
Uh, yeah,
It's an
and
open.
and big round buttons. Yeah, big
Yes.
round buttons.
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh, good.
Okay. Oh. Okay, how about this? Okay, it's not functioning. Why? I don't know. Okay, can you see this effect? No?
Yeah, I see a
What can you
girl
see?
from. Uh, I see you. Oh, it's a fish. It's a Nemo. Nemo, fish named Nemo. I
Nemo.
watched. I watched these cartoons and Nemo. It's a funny fish. Eh, she or it has, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
it. Use it.
it
But
has two eyes, two big eyes, and big mouth, uh,
my ID
mouth,
small, look.
and uh, it colors of blue, purple, and mm,
It has a
different
blue,
different
different shade of blue. You can say different shade. It's like
different shade.
light blue, dark blue,
Yeah.
purple. Yeah.
and it has a big toil, yeah, a big toil. Uh, um,
Tail.
maybe a tail, yes, tail, and tail and fin
Yes.
on its back. Yeah, on its back.
Yeah, it's back. Okay, so I'm gonna give you another information about calling animals, okay? We can call
Yeah. Okay.
animals by saying it has. But if you know the gender of the animal, you can call it he or she based on what I learned in a book. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For example, you know your animal's gender. He, you can call he is my favorite animal. Like he wants to go out with me. Like you can call he. You can use he to animals if you know if she or he is a girl or
Mm-hmm.
a boy. Okay? For
Okay.
example, your cat, you know that your cat is a girl. She, you can say she.
She.
Yeah.
She. Okay.
When you know your dog is a boy, you can say he. But if you don't know the gender, just like for example, this fish, you don't know the gender, you can call
Yeah.
it it.
It. It is okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
At first, I'm so shocked because I thought calling animals will always say it. And sometimes I tend to ask myself when we have this PPT PowerPoint presentation on my previous school, no, not school, previous company, it says he, but it pertains to a dog. But I say, oh, why he? We should use it. But it answers my question because I read a book, it says that way.
Mm-hmm. And I read about fish. If we say about one fish, we have to say fish. If
Mm,
we see a lot of fish, but this fish mm, is the same fish, one type fish, yeah.
mm,
We can't say fishes.
yeah, no.
We have say fish.
Culture's shock because in your country it's not like that.
Cultural shock.
Yes. When you move to different places, you can experience culture shock because you're not used to it.
Mhm.
Yes.
How about Philippines?
Yeah, in the Philippines, there are lots of there are lots of like gay
Mhm.
relationship in the social media. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates and videos. See ya.